all the modern ways to keep in touch with family and friends, still receiving a good old-fashioned letter brings a smile to your face. The simple fact that Iran's post company delivers 2 to 2.5 million letters and parcels to some 29,000 destinations every day signifies that new digital technologies have not been able to replace hard copy delivery of packages. There's a certain appeal, either in the content of the package or the postage stamp on it.
تمبر یک نماد فرهنگیه. یه بخش کاربردش توی زمینه پرداخت کرایه پستیه، اما بحث اصلیش علل خصوص توی دسته‌بندی که توی تمبر وجود داره و تمبرهای یادبود و یادگاری شامل این دسته‌بندی میشه، در حقیقت بیانگر فرهنگ کشور هاست.
And so, collecting postage stamps is one of the world's most popular hobbies, as it is in Iran. You will never be done learning from these miniature pictures on little pieces of paper representing historical events, people, and places. That is why many people have made this their business. Now, to find out more, I've come to a small shop downtown Tehran that's been open for about 50 years. Haj Hossein Novin Farahbakhsh was actually the first person in Iran to sell stamps. The first official postage stamp ever used in Iran was a 4-piece series known as Bagheri. It was printed when modern postal services were introduced during the Qajar era. Starting from being objects of manifesting political sovereignty, Iranian stamps evolved to become representations of the country's rich history and culture and its unique flora and fauna, making them valuable additions for any stamp collector.
کلکسیونرایی هستن که سوژه های خیلی خاصی رو جمع میکنن. همین سوژه فرض کنید گل یا سوژه پرندگان یا ماهی میتونه بسیار جالب باشه، چون ماهی‌هایی که ما در خلیج فارس یا در دریای مازندران داریم خیلی چیزهای خاصیه که در جاهای دیگه نیست و اونها در کلکسیونرشون میتونن به این مسئله افتخار کنن.
Post, the way we know it today, has a 150-year history in Iran, and I came to the Post Museum to find out more about that. However, let's not forget that it was actually Iranians who invented post in the first place. The first signs of applying a real postal system have been seen in ancient Persia, where a system of couriers operated throughout the Persian Empire. But it was not until the late 1800s that stamps became a widely used form of payment for postal services.
پیشینه پست رو در دنیا میشه به ایران منسوب کرد. اشخاصی رو به نام چاپار از سواری بوده که هر 24 کیلومتر یه استبلی بوده. اینا پیغام‌های دولتی رو برای قلمروهاشون میفرستادن و بالعکس. پست از زمان هخامنشیان تا امیرکبیر در خدمت حاکمان و پادشاهان و دولتمردان بوده. از زمان امیرکبیر به این ور برای اولین بار پست در خدمت همگان قرار میگیره و پست همگانی میشه.
Today, postal services have become accessible to the point where you can even order your very own personalized postage stamps. Fully licensed by Iran's Postal Service, now you can add a personal touch to your postcards, letters, and parcels. It's true that with the internet at hand, there are many ways for us to keep in touch with family and friends. But I personally don't think that stamps will ever get old. Gisum Shah Ahmadi for Iran.